made it. All right, we're out here at OSW. Made some improvements on the car. Added a clutch stop because my clutch was basically overextending. Got different rear tires on it. Didn't even check the pressure before this session. Son of a bee. Dang it. Well, so I guess we'll see how they are after the first lap. And then I think I put them at 20. It's probably going to be way too much. And then what else did? Different exhaust, center exit exhaust, rear bash bar instead of a rear bumper. Made some changes before the last round of clutch kickers as well. So there's some big changes. Curious to see how it drives, how it feels now with all these, you know, all this stuff different. The clutch stop is like perfect. It's like right where it needs to be. So hopefully we don't have any issues with the clutch like grabbing higher and higher. I gotta air down. All right, drop tire pressure a significant amount, and we get back in the mix with old Benny boy here. I think I drove an OSW event with the 6.2. I can't remember if I did or not. No, it was clutch kickers. Did I drive one in between? Yeah, because I only did a few laps and my clutch started slipping because of the whole clutch issue I was having with the slave cylinder being too long. Trying to pedal it a little bit, save tire. I'm curious how these tires are going to do. So they're 245 16s, which is like by far the biggest size you can find for a 16. My car's been running hotter since I put the 6.2 in, and even not driving hard, like it's running hotter at idle. It's really weird. Like if I started up and let it idle, and before it would idle down to 140 with the fans on. Now it's like, you know, after one run, it won't idle down past like 200. It's weird. We're not really in the danger zone until 230, 240, something like that. Got some used Kendas that I ran last time. Only did 6 laps on them. I am curious how the Kendas last, because I run 15s or 16s, mostly 15s. 17s look goofy on the car, just because it's a Miata. But 17s, you got way more tire options. So I'm considering moving up to 17s, but I haven't been super impressed with any of the tires I've tried yet to make it worthwhile. But if these Kendas last a long time, it would be worthwhile. I don't know if they will or not, but... We're getting ready to do these drift games. So the first one is the slide up and stop as close to the table without hitting it one, but in tandem. So Ben's gonna try to not hit the table and get close. I'm gonna try to not hit him and get close. Should be interesting. Let's give it a shot. We got the distance good, but they measured us like how far off Ben was from the center of the table instead of like from the table, because he was kind of behind the table. I mean, I'm not really worried about trying to win this. It's just something for fun. Dude, it feels so cool pulling up to the old enclosed rig with the big truck. Makes me happy. Well, the next one is a ball toss. So basically we had a drift, throw the ball from one car to the other by the end of the run. We technically have convertibles. Might as well pull the top off. I have never drifted my car with the top off. So this will actually be kind of fun. Good excuse to drive it with the top off. So Ben's pulling his off. See how it goes. I think I'm gonna go for it in the last sweeper. Not 100% sure. I thought we had way more time before this was gonna start. So I'm not prepared. I haven't really thought about it. Try to throw a ball into somebody else's car while you're drifting next to each other. It was a good throw. I just didn't take into account the forward momentum we had and the wind. Like it threw it, it was going and just. All right, we're going out again. I guess me and Ben, we're a team, and then Matt and Adam are a team. We, like, our team, both our teams got the closest, so it's like nobody else got it, including us. So we're gonna take it and try again. It bounced off your like door handle. The hard part too is not just throwing the ball, but trying to drift one-handed until you throw the ball. And like be close enough drifting one-handed to throw the ball. Like that's trickier, honestly, than throwing the ball. All right, well, no one's got it still, so we get another shot at it. We talked about switching, but it's like I've already had 2 practice tries to do it. Like I have a better chance of getting it because I already know what it's like. All right, we got to get it this time. First one, too far back. Second one, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna throw ahead. The aim was right, the distance was right, just not enough lob. That time, way too much lob. The wind is going this way, so I wanted to do it in that corner. Okay, now we're going up for the pass one. So the pass one, we gotta pass several times. It's like pass.
Sure, dude.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
You gotta pass, like I'm gonna lead first, or lead to start. Ben's gonna have to pass me basically on entry, and then I'm gonna pass him on the transition, and then he's immediately gotta pass me again. This car, I haven't run these tires in a while. They're like 500 treadwear 205s, and they have way more grip than I remembered them having. What? We got it. All right, now we're basically drag racing to the end. You have to go, basically finish first, but not go past it. It'll be interesting. All right, well, Ben broke a brake line, so we are rolling solo. Well, we're not rolling solo. We don't have Ben to drive with, so we're driving with Ethan and Hunter. I like driving with Ethan. He's a very smooth lead driver. It's nighttime now, and we got a fresh set of tires, so we should be good for a while. First time I've drifted with no roof though. It's kind of cool. Feels a lot more free and open. My car's getting hot. Oh, they're corded. This is my favorite thing, having a newer truck. When you unlock it, even the trailer lights come on. Just seems so baller. I love it. All right, truck's warming up. Car, everything is loaded up. Man, I gotta say, it has been so nice having the enclosed today. So yeah, anyway, it's time to hit the road. Let the truck warm up, we're gonna hit the road.